Have you ever wondered what truly goes into transforming a car, not just in looks, but in spirit? Or what makes one detailing service stand apart from another in a crowded market? Dive into the world of Upshift Autos with Harman Aroda, where every car gets the VIP treatment it deserves without the extravagant price tag. Herman breaks down the myths surrounding paint protection film, shedding light on why not all PPFs are created equal, despite what the price tags might suggest. He opens up about building trust in the auto detailing business, where delivering quality isn't just a promise, it's a practice. As he discusses the evolving car culture, he touches on a poignant truth. It's less about the specs of your ride and more about respect and passion. With Upshift Autos, Harman is not just upscaling cars, he's uplifting standards and shifting gears in automotive care.
लॉकडाउन में पूरा वो चेंज हो गया थिंकिंग प्रोसेस। लॉकडाउन में थिंकिंग प्रोसेस क्या हो गया कि लाइफ इज रियली शॉर्ट एंड देन आई सो आरुष पास हुए एंड दैट वाज अ डिफरेंट लाइक इट वाज अ वो कि एकदम से हिलने वाला सिचुएशन। तो आई रियलाइज कि मे बी देयर समथिंग दैट आई कैन डू, कि ऐसा ना हो कि मैं रिग्रेट्स ले लूँ एंड में कि कुछ करने का मन था। ऐसा नहीं, माई पेरेंट्स दे सपोर्टेड मी थ्रू एवरीथिंग। उन्होंने दे वर लाइक उन्होंने कहा कि यू वांट टू वर्क इन आवर ओन फैमिली बिजनेस, यू कैन वर्क, वी आर एब्सोल्युटली वेलकम, यू वांट टू डू दिस, वी आर ओके टू लेट यू ट्राई ऑल्सो। So a big thanks to them, their full support. They gave me a small credit line. They said, "Ki we'll give you this on our part as a gift, as a wo. We also want you to grow. We also want you to see if something that you can make up with this." I said, "Okay." So I said yes to Akshay. एक दिन में मैं अक्षय से yes बोल के बाहर आया हूँ और मुझे एक चीज़ नहीं पता। I don't even know where to start. तो इसमें फिर मेन आता है कि कल्चर में अब चेंजेस क्या है। हाँ, एक कल्चर में जो मेन चेंज आ गया ना, एक तो ये आ गया कि हमारे इवेंट्स बढ़ गए। पीपल हैव बिकम नाउ यू सी ना, जो ऑटोक्रॉस के इवेंट्स हो रहे हैं, सो मेनी पीपल आर कमिंग अप, यंग किड्स आर कमिंग अप, कार ड्राइविंग कार्स। सी, if you are able to do that and if you are able to reach a platform where you're paying money, I think the driving evasive or it should exist there and there only, not while you're coming to the track, not while you're leaving from the track or not on the road. Because I really feel scared considering the fact कि जैसे ये टाइकान का केस है, there are so many cases which go unreported. मुझे नहीं पता किसी दिन मैं रोड पर हूँ और कोई मेरे ही जैसा तेज कार चलाने वाला आ जाए और मेरा कारमा मुझे रिफ्लेक्ट करा के चला जाए। दिस इज द थिंग विच scares me, which is why I believe in a like see it's good to drive and ऐसा नहीं है कि we will say कि we drive always fast या नहीं करते। You should be a little bit more considerate towards your road where you're driving. It should have been recceed, it should have been seen कि यहाँ पर ऐसा सिचुएशन नहीं हो सकता। मैं वो ऑनेस्ट डिफेंडर्स की तरह नहीं बोलूँगा और ये बोलूँ कि नहीं नहीं, you should never drive fast on the road. See, nobody will actually pay heed to that. Nobody cares. If somebody is tuning the car on a stage one, he's not going to take it to the track every day, is it?
Yeah.
Just keep in mind, respect where you are, and you can, मैं तो कहता हूँ सीधा प्रिंसिपल बताता हूँ, check for roads which have less traffic, less footfall. You want to drive around a little spirited, go ahead. Keep in mind that there are certain roads where you shouldn't.
Now that you mentioned about almost all the cars that you have worked on, almost all the cars were tuned, and then different car you've done a different level of modification. कहीं supercharger है, कहीं कुछ है, कहीं turbo है, कहीं tune है. आपने खेला है, मतलब दिल खोल के खेला है. So tell me one thing. There are so many young guys and girls around who are wanting to get into the whole world of tuning their cars and getting the maximum performance, or let's say medium level performance, or improving the performance in their cars by taking it to people like you or Akshay or whosoever it may be. So could you tell us like most important 3 or 4 points as to how to think or on what lines to start thinking when you want to get your car tuned?
See, firstly, and I am very young to answer this question. I'll tell you, there are a lot of veterans that you've seen in this market, a lot of people that I have taken inspiration from, guidance from. Everybody that today that I am sitting in the same business model with are people that I have actually worked with in before as customers. I have taken inspiration from. So all of them advised me basics. So there are a lot of basics that you have to understand, not just by tuning of car, but just by the idea of ownership of a car for the purpose of making it better.
Okay.
See, firstly is that you should always remember how much money you're willing to invest in that car.
Okay.
Because money is in subjectively in a automotive modification sort of a car thing, is the money you'll never ever be able to recover.
Sure.
So it is a gamble. The gamble works in a way where at least in a gamble you have a chance of making it right.
Yeah.
The only thing right in this case has to be just you'll be happy. But there wasn't going to be a monetary benefit to it that you won't really add any value to your car.
Okay.
So yes, if people feel that they have disposable income that they want to invest into a certain modification period. See, I have had people that I'm not that old, but I still have people who are 5, 6, 8 years, 10 years younger than me, and have come actually with their cars and have gotten them modified here. And I've always told them one thing. मैंने कहा, if I feel that there is something that you are wanting to ask and wanting to do, and I feel that it won't really add value or would ruin the value of your car, it would ruin your money at a later stage, I should be allowed to have a veto vote on it. Because at least that way I understand what you want. You will be able to understand how I'm trying to protect you from this.
Okay.
I've had friends like कि आप मेरी एम्बियंट लाइट लगा दो डैशबोर्ड खोल के, और मैं उसको ये बताता हूँ कि इट्स BMW, मैं इसका डैश खोलूँगा, मैं इसके दरवाजे खोलूँगा, मैं वो डैश में एम्बियंट लाइट लगाऊंगा, एम्बियंट लाइट की इसमें प्रोविजन है नहीं, गाड़ी में डोर वापस लगाऊंगा, इट विल हैव क्रीकिंग नॉइसेस, यू विल बी बेस्ड बाय द, मैं फिर उसमें मैं बुरा लगेगा मुझे कि मैंने वो क्यों लगाया.
Correct.
इसलिए आई हैव एडवाइस कि आई वुड नॉट बी हैप्पीली विलिंग टू पुट दिस. लोग लगा देते हैं, पीपल आर हैप्पी, बी माय गेस्ट, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एवरीबडी हैज अ डिफरेंट वे ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग देयर बिजनेसेस, माइन इज अ लिटिल बिट नॉट लाइक. आई बिलीव कि अगर मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं उस इंसान को कोई सही एडवाइस दे सकता हूँ. आई हैव पीपल हु आर 50 years old, 48 years old, यंग नहीं है, दे आर ओल्ड, and they've got into this prime of their life, and now they've been actually putting that money towards buying a luxury car. Especially post COVID it started, where people have actually started spending money. पहले लोग रिजर्व रहते थे, अब लोगों ने देखा कि life is very short, life is that, and people have started buying nice cars and all. And I've had people, gentlemen older than me, coming in and ask कि आप तो young हो, आप बताओ आपके हिसाब से क्या अच्छा लगेगा ये वो. And I tell them, मैंने कहा this is something that I believe would add value to it. आप मैट करना चाहो, PPF है, या see PPF also ना is a thing. PPF I believe today is the most abused market segment of this entire war.
Why? And how?
From people starting at 15,000 rupees to do your PPF, people don't realize the amount of damage they can cause to their car with the wrong PPF. PPF का actual meaning है क्या? इसका ना एक मेरे डैड ने, ये मैंने नहीं बताया, ये मेरे डैड ने मुझसे पूछा था कि PPF का बिजनेस है, ये है वो है. कहते हरमन 5 साल पहले गाड़ियाँ नहीं बिकती थी, 7 साल पहले गाड़ियाँ नहीं बिकती थी, तब गाड़ियाँ सस्ती थी, तब की टाइम वैल्यू ऑफ मनी के हिसाब से वो गाड़ियाँ भी उतनी ही महंगी थी जो आज के टाइम वैल्यू ऑफ मनी के हिसाब से.
करेक्ट.
तो इनसिक्योरिटी आई कब? PPF एज अ प्रोडक्ट इज मोर ऑफ एन इनसिक्योरिटी रिलीफ कि मेरी गाड़ी में PPF है, PPF गाड़ी बचा लेगी, नुकसान बच जाएगा, पेंट बच जाएगा. This thing came into limelight when cars started getting expensive and paint jobs में क्या हो गया? See now what has happened now, the market has changed in a way where everybody, मैं किसी segment की बात नहीं कर रहा, मैं बात करता हूँ बाइक्स की भी. A person who's bought a bike also would love to have his gas cap, gas tank and everything PPF. It's just a peace of mind. मैं एग्री करता हूँ, इट शुड बी देयर, बट पीस ऑफ माइंड ना हैज टू बी डन विद ड्यू डिलिजेंस. अब कोई भी बंदा आपकी इनसिक्योरिटी को पिंच करके आपको बोलते हैं आपने PPF नहीं कराई, सर मैं आपकी गाड़ी PPF कर देता हूँ अभी, ये 20,000 रुपये की रोल है, आपकी गाड़ी गया पेंट बच जाएगा, या आपकी गाड़ी स्क्रैच होने से बच जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल समबडी हु डिडंट हैव मच नॉलेज डिसाइड्स टू गो फॉर इट, वो PPF 20,000 रुपये करवा के आ जाता है, थोड़े दिनों बाद उसकी गाड़ी डल होनी शुरू हो जाती है. उसको लगा कि 20,000 की PPF है, वर्स्ट के सिनेरियो निकाल देता हूँ, गाड़ी अंदर साफ रहेगी. He removes it, paint comes along with it.
Shit.
Whatever would have costed him $20,000 would now cost him a full body refinish.
The paint came off. I mean, I genuinely I didn't even know कि paint भी निकल आता है उसके साथ.
पेंट निकल आता है, बिल्कुल आता है. See, इसमें भी एक एडवर्सरी है, वो ये है कि जब एक गाड़ी हमारे पास आती है ना, we have to do a full check on the car to make sure if there's no painted panel.
Okay.
Painted panels, if not done by the right workshop or not verified by the right source, you put your PPF on the car, you move it off, the paint will come off. Well, but like PPF के लिए, see, I think a very right person to answer this would be Paji. You've already reviewed him.
Speed G, हाँ.
Speed G, he's the, I think the penultimate today in
I
terms
mean,
of
the way
PPF.
he answered my queries for ceramic coats and how people have wrongly understood कि ceramic coat होता क्या है, the way he told us about कि ceramic coat कैसे test किया जाता है.
बिल्कुल. See, he is a penultimate. I'll tell you why. Because he's the only person who's an applicator, installer, an entrepreneur by himself.
By himself.
इंडिया में ये ट्रेंड नहीं है. In US, in UK, Canada, I have seen people who are their brand by themselves, who as an entrepreneur would love to go work on your car. There's a huge difference between that. Even myself, I can commit that the amount of finesse which we are trying to achieve, which we achieve.
Sure.
See, I won't lie to the market. People are intelligent enough today. Today, a person would come to me with a Google in his hand,
Yeah.
and he will show me this PPF by done for 39.99, this by done for 49.99. He knows what he's doing. The market is aware of what you want to buy, what you want to procure. Now, my entire theory is that my entire time, which earlier would have taken just 5 minutes of my time, is now an hour worth of conversation to try to convince him my PPF, why is it better? Why should you believe that I should work on your car, and why should you risk and keep your 1 crore, 1.5 crore rupee car for me for 4 days? Because what I'm doing, I'm going to be, babysitting your car for 4 days, and you have that thing where you have invested in such a big asset. It has to be done in the right way.
Right.
It has to be delivered in the right way. It has to be kept in the right way. Conversations have become bigger.
Yeah.
Which is why I don't like to call customers customers.
Correct.
1 घंटा आप किसी से रैंडम चैट पे भी बात कर लो ना, तो वो भी दोस्त बन जाता है.
Correct.
तो कस्टमर कोई रहा ही नहीं. मेरे लिए इस वर्कशॉप पे जब मैं किसी के साथ 1 घंटा कम्युनिकेट कर रहा हूँ, जब मैं उसको अपना एक्सपीरियंस बता रहा हूँ, वो मुझे अपना बता रहा है, वी बिकम एक्वेटेंसेस.
Of course.
एक्वेटेंसेस से जब मैं उसको अपना काम ऑफर कर रहा हूँ, वो पहले ही समझ रहा है कि इसने मेरे से इतनी देर समझी है. Then we become friends by the time the work is done.
I think this community is that beautiful, that way. कि
That's the best part about this कि ये community starting में भी ऐसी थी, बहुत
ये कहीं
welcoming
ना कहीं
थी.
जो मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया ना हरमन, ये काम सारा ट्रस्ट पे होता है. आज मतलब आई नो माई सेल्फ की परफॉर्मेंस के लिए या कुछ भी ट्यूनिंग के लिए काम आऊंगा तो चाहे कुछ हो मैं अक्षय को ही दूंगा.
Absolutely.
हाँ.
That is it.
Because I trust that
GT has
my car is
become-
in good hands.
Correct. It's become a benchmark in this tuning because he is the only person
Yes.
right now in India
Right.
जो खुद डेवलप भी कर दिल्ली में जो खुद डेवलप भी कर रहा है ट्यून्स. डायनो टेस्ट अक्षय का डायनो इंस्टॉल करने का पर्पस सिर्फ एक था, द मिथ ऑफ पीपल वैलिडेटिंग क्लेम सच एज कि 50 हॉर्स पावर का गेन है जी आपकी गाड़ी में, तो
हाँ.
विदाउट एन एक्चुअल प्रूफ.
Correct.
What Akshay want to do is describe that. See, there are dynos before also.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है, Phil के पास dyno है.
Correct.
Akshay wanted to design tunes, wanted to test those tunes.
Correct.
Because a lot of R&D is required to making sure the risk involved
Yeah.
into giving me your car and putting a tune on it and hoping that it doesn't boom.
Correct.
You get it? The thing is there. It's a very big liability to take care of.
Yeah.
So for a person to spend his entire day thinking how to make it better, how to make it more efficient, how to make my tunes better,
Yes.
I agree. Everybody is a expert in their own field.
Yeah.
Even me also, if I used to, so 5 years back, if I tell about when I'm going as a customer to a place, it takes me, for me, because I had been to a lot of workshops and gotten a lot of cars made, it took me the first 20 minutes to decide if this person is worth giving my car to or not.
Okay.
सेल्समैन और एक एंटरप्रेन्योर में थोड़ा डिफरेंस आता है. मैं आता हूँ, मैं सेल्स की थ्योरी शुरू कर दूँ, सर ये मेरा पीपीएफ है, ये मेरा 40,000 का, इसमें ये नाइक्रोन है, इसमें ये है. Some people don't even want to hear that. People want to understand what is that thing, what is the product, how does it help me out, what are the disadvantages, the pros and cons, and what is the cost. मुझे हर इंसान को टेक्निकलिटी समझा के ये दिखाना जरूरी नहीं है कि मुझे सारी नॉलेज पता है.
Correct.
Sometimes it's best kept hidden. Let the customer speak for himself. Let the individual speak. Sometimes, a customer will feel intimidated. कि मुझे ज्यादा पता है, अब ये चीज मैं अगर उस पर थोपूंगा ना, तो उसको लगेगा कि मे बी आई एम फीलिंग इनसिक्योर, मैं इनसे पूछता नहीं. Let him answer, let him understand what he's trying to do, and first of all, let him be sure if exactly what he wants it. कितने लोगों को मैंने ऐसा टर्न डाउन भी करा है, जिनको मैंने बोला, वो कहते हैं सर हमारी गाड़ी से संडे चलती है, सैटरडे चलती है. तो मैंने कहा क्यों इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो 1.25 लाख की पीपीएफ? कोई रीजन तो हो ना. अगर आपने चलानी है इसको हफ्ते में एक बार है, इन्वेस्ट इन समथिंग एल्स. कहते हैं मैं, ऐसा मेरे साथ हुआ है, एंड सी कार्मा इज माइन. मेरे को पता है कि वो कस्टमर मेरे पास आया है, मैंने वो 1.5 लाख रुपए की टिकट साइज का कस्टमर छोड़ा है. उसने कहा एक काम करते हैं ना, इसको कार्बन का सामान मंगा लेते हैं. अल्टीमेटली ही इज गिवन मी अ ट्रांजैक्शन. Business did not go down. That is the value of this entire fraternity. Automotive fraternity has to be very, open, with everybody because I have, मैं विश्वास नहीं करूँगा, GT पे बहुत दिन पहले एक स्टोरी हुई थी. एक अंकल है who's almost 62 years old somewhere around that. अंकल ना यहाँ आए हैं स्टोर पे ECU ट्यून करवाने अपनी गाड़ी का. अंकल के पास एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन नहीं था, so he had gotten a Google Maps का प्रिंट आउट, a location by location प्रिंट आउट. You will see Akshay will also validate this thing. वो अंकल आए हैं, उनके हाथ में गूगल मैप्स का प्रिंट आउट है जिसमें लोकेशन से लोकेशन उनके घर से यहाँ कैसे पहुँचना है, और वहाँ जाके वो अक्षय को बोल रहे हैं कि मुझे अपनी गाड़ी ECU ट्यून करवानी है.
Oh wow.
एंड मी एंड अक्षय स्टार्टेड लुकिंग एट इट लाइक, अंकल के हाथ में एक्चुअल गूगल मैप्स का प्रिंट आउट है पूरा स्टेपल्ड, कि अंकल ने यहाँ से यहाँ कैसे रीच करना है.
Wow.
एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि दिस एंटायर डेप्थ, nobody is too young or too old to get work done. गाड़ी की फील्ड यार, सी कार्स आर समथिंग जो मेरे पापा ने भी चलाई, मेरे दादाजी ने भी चलाई. चलो तब तक तो इंडिया का ट्रांजिशन बता रहा हूँ, मेरी 3 जनरेशंस तो हो गई हैं इस वक्त जिन्होंने कार्स अडॉप्ट करी हैं, एंड मोर टू कम लेटर इन टाइम. तो हो गया है वो एक फील्ड, एक सर्कल आ गया है कि 1970s 80s से पहले नहीं थी गाड़ियाँ, ठीक है. अब तो जो जनरेशन के दादाज बनेंगे या जो भी दादीज बनेंगी, whosoever, they'll know if they want to get something done. ऐसा नहीं है हमारे डैड को, मेरे डैड को शौक नहीं था. मेरे डैड का क्या शौक था, बम्पर गार्ड्स लगवा दो.
अरे हमारे डैड
Chrome
का
का
तो मेरे को
step
लगता
लगा
है
दो.
शौक तो सारे हैं, बट वो वेट करते हैं कि पहले ये लोग बड़े हो जाएं,
बस
थोड़े से मतलब हमारी भावनाओं को अपनी भावना समझ के ना
मेरे डैड
वेट
ने तो
करें.
टीवी लगवाया था इतनी ओल्ड एज में, सुमो में.
आप देखो ना,
Black and
आई एम
white
गोइंग टू
TV.
बी टर्निंग 34 एंड नाउ माय डैड इज टेलिंग मी दैट मेरे को ड्रिफ्ट करनी है.
It's something that it's like see, कुछ लोगों के लिए मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस है, कुछ लोगों के लिए just become a part of the thing कि why should I not, because if everybody else is doing
इट
it.
हैज बिकम एन ईगो इशू फॉर हिम कि तू समझता क्या मैं नहीं कर सकता ड्रिफ्ट एंड ऑल. मैं करनी नहीं.
बिल्कुल करो,
जरूर करो.
ड्रिफ्टिंग है क्या, ड्रिफ्टिंग इज सी, ड्रिफ्टिंग के लिए मैं बताता हूँ, मुदित ने मुझे बताया था कि अगर तुम 3 से 5 घंटे सीट टाइम ले लो ना, यू नो हाउ टू ड्रिफ्ट अ कार. मुदित से मेरी वो बात हुई थी कि मैंने मुदित को ये बोला था, मैंने कहा देख मुझे आती नहीं है और मुझे समझ, मतलब आई नो द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इट, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू होल्ड अ ड्रिफ्ट. और मैंने कभी करी नहीं, तो मुझे इसलिए आइडिया नहीं है. कबीर को तो मैंने देखा है, कबीर तो मैंने ऐसा भी देखा है, कबीर अगर आंखें बंद करके भी ड्रिफ्ट कर लेगा. He's that easy, he's that smooth.
He's sensed, he feels
Correct.
those G forces, he feels that force.
And Kabir, मैं उसमें बैठा था M3 में, the E92. No, the E92.
Okay.
E92 M3. That was his best car, I think.
Yeah,
Till date,
the white
I
one.
think the white E92 M3 with that carbon was a whoosh, the best spec car. And I believe till today also, वो North American markets में इतनी sought after गाड़ी है वो. इंडिया में तो किसी ने कदर ही नहीं करी उस गाड़ी की. इतनी सॉर्ट आफ्टर ब्यूटीफुल लुकिंग V8 विद नाइस ड्राइव एवरीथिंग. मैं उसके साथ कश्मीर में, ये मॉन्टबॉल की स्टोरी थी, मैं उसके साथ लद्दाख में गया हूँ, हम पेट्रोल भराने गए हैं M3 में, तो वापस आते हुए फुल साइडवेज वी गोइंग इन ले मेन पे, मैं कहा टेंशन ही नहीं है, उसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा. एंड he's actually made me had fun in that car. And he's got a full nice setup on the audio system also, some nice tunes playing, और गाड़ी ऐसे टेढ़ी जा रही है ले के बीच में से ऐसे कट में से. मैं कहा वाह.
Acha, so that brings me to one question which I've been wanting to ask you for a while now. That see, आप काफी time से you've been a performance upgrade fanatic, and you've been wanting to get great numbers out of your machines. But then, what's the story behind Upshift? Why did you get into the business of, let's say, detailing or improving the aesthetics of a machine when your passion yourself was performance?
I think it was a transition of cars being, see, पहले तो जब when I came into this entire idea of conceptual of why an Upshift exists is because of Akshay. Akshay and I became friends, started communicating, started talking about it, and as it turns out, he told me that there's an avenue of body and cosmetic work that I have been trying to expand, and Akshay at that time wanted to get rid of his booth, in terms of get rid of his paint service and sell it as a commodity to somebody, so that he could focus more on the tuning aspect of it and the dyno aspect of it. Because he said once I started doing all my R&D, and I know Akshay for a fact that he works 10 to 12 hours a day developing tunes. I think, I don't know, I have not explored the world out enough, but I haven't seen a hard-working tuner like I have seen him. And I've seen him working.
Likewise.
I've seen him working till 10 o'clock at night. I've seen him working till 12 o'clock at night also sometimes. So yeah. He's like, I wanted to expand that avenue. I wanted to get into cosmetic also, because it is a good place to be, because most of the customers that I bring in have a thing where they also want to get cosmetic work done. And I don't want to lose up on that business just because I do mechanical work. And I wasn't in that intention because I did a small sort of work where I used to sit at Autobots. Autobots a friend of mine, Karan, like brothers. All three of them are brothers. So I used to, go to their workshop. I used to sit. I used to get my cars done. Also, I used to sit with them. Also, they also helped me out with the commerce aspect of it because now I was on the other end. Earlier I was on the customer side, but they made me feel like family, and I sat with them. I learned what businesses are and how is it working out. So I realized that there is a business that can be done. The thing where, how should I say this? एक नैक था कि लॉकडाउन हुआ. लॉकडाउन में पूरा वो चेंज हो गया थिंकिंग प्रोसेस. लॉकडाउन में थिंकिंग प्रोसेस क्या हो गया कि लाइफ इज रियली शॉर्ट. एंड देन आई सॉ आरुष पास हुए एंड दैट वाज अ डिफरेंट लाइक इट वाज अ वो कि एकदम से हिलने वाला सिचुएशन. तो आई रियलाइज कि मे बी देयर इज समथिंग दैट आई कैन डू. कि ऐसा ना हो कि मैं रिग्रेट्स ले लूँ एंड में कि कुछ करने का मन था. ऐसा नहीं. माई पेरेंट्स दे सपोर्टेड मी थ्रू एवरीथिंग. उन्होंने दे वर लाइक उन्होंने कहा कि यू वांट टू वर्क इन आवर ओन फैमिली बिजनेस, यू कैन वर्क, वी आर एब्सोल्युटली वेलकम. यू वांट टू डू दिस, वी आर ओके टू लेट यू ट्राई ऑल्सो. सो अ बिग थैंक्स टू देम, देयर फुल सपोर्ट. They gave me a small credit line. They said, we'll give you this on our part as a gift, as a wo. We also want you to grow. We also want you to see if something that you can make up with this. I said, okay. So I said yes to Akshay. एक दिन में मैं अक्षय से yes बोल के बाहर आया हूँ. मुझे एक चीज़ नहीं पता. I don't even know where to start. So the first thing Akshay only gained me out is Akshay got me this place. हमें बीच वाला नहीं मिला तो अक्षय ने कहा कि ये वर्कशॉप है तो स्टार्ट दिस अप. दिस इज अ बिग स्पेस है ना, 5,500 स्क्वायर फुट. उस टाइम के टाइम से आई थिंक दिल्ली में बहुत कम वर्कशॉप्स थी जिसमें इतना स्पेस था. तो उन्होंने कहा ठीक है डन करो. देन वी स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग दिस स्पेस. अब ये बिल्डिंग बनी और एक नेचुरल वो था कि मैं जब ये बन रही थी आई यूज्ड टू गो सिट विद अक्षय. वही चीज़ जो मैंने ऑटोबॉट्स में भी सीखी, कस्टमर्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन. एंड आई रियलाइज everybody who's walking in is a me only. Is a me, is a Harman. Is a Harman, clueless, what to do, what to get, what to say, what the price, that sort of a thing. So I realized that it's not much tough to entertain this. It's just कि थोड़ा कॉमर्स साइड को थोड़ा कम रखेंगे, थोड़ा अच्छे से एक बार ना, मतलब मेरे आई एम नॉट अ इन्वेस्टर. मेरे को ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं मार्केट में पैसा डंप करूंगा और अपना पहले बढ़ाऊंगा और फिर उसके बाद प्राइस वो कर दूंगा. मैंने कहा आई वांट टू कीप माय प्राइस वेरी सस्टेनेबल, वेरी इकोनॉमिक्स, विद इन रीच एंड विद इन दैट सर्टेन रीच की मतलब मैं अच्छा काम करूंगा. ठीक है.
मतलब you took the brick and mortar approach.
Yeah. This is how it is supposed to be done and I think that was the right way to do.
Yeah.
I did. मैंने बोलिया. तो जो whatever experience I got out of building my own cars, I put into this. Now from the other end. जब अदर एंड पे आते हो ना तो एक बहुत शॉकिंग डिस्कवरी होती है इज टू द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी यू कैन मेक इफ यू कैन ड्यूप समबडी, इफ यू कैन कॉन समवन. क्यों? अगर ये बॉडी किट मैं एज अ कस्टमर 3.5 लाख की खरीद रहा हूँ, हो सकता है वो कस्टमर से मुझे 2 लाख की बॉडी किट मिल रही हो सप्लायर से. आई कुड हैव सोल्ड इट फॉर 250 ऑल्सो, मेड अ डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, कीप द वर्कशॉप रनिंग. बट नॉर्म ही नहीं है मार्केट का वो. और आप सस्ता करने लगो तो लोग आपको खराब करने लगते हैं. ये एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आई मुझे क्योंकि मार्केट में उस टाइम वेंडर्स कम थे. अब तो हर सेकंड वर्कशॉप पीपीएफ की है. यू गो आउटसाइड आई थिंक एवरी 200 300 400 yards you'll see one workshop doing PPF.
मंडी है लिटरली. अब तो
मंडी बन चुकी है. तो अब ये पहले तो सिर्फ कॉस्मेटिक स्टार्ट किया बॉडी शॉप में. जब बॉडी शॉप स्टार्ट हुई तो दे ऑल्सो डिमांडेड, पीपल ऑल्सो डिमांडेड कि वी वांट डिटेलिंग सर्विसेज. कि कभी कभार पेंट करने के लिए गाड़ी नहीं आएगी, हमें बेसिक डिटेल करना है करना. तो वी गॉट इनटू दैट एवेन्यू ऑल्सो. फिर उसके बाद वी गॉट इनटू दिस कि अब ये भी हो गया पीलेबल पेंट इज अ गुड थिंग व्हिच यू कैन वर्क इनटू. So we got into peelable also. We started doing couple of cars.
Yeah.
You must have seen Varun's car, Srivat's car.
Correct.
Couple of them we did. Very good projects. Even Navneet's car in Chandigarh, in Jaipur. We did a C63S in an emerald green. Then we have a friend of ours, Angad, who has the E63 in Chandigarh. Okay. We did a full like green, like so it became famous. It became the hype.
Got it.
And everybody was happy to do it, and it's just working out well. Then came PPF. So PPF came very later into this business. Okay, I started doing PPF what 2 years ago. 2 साल का PPF का एक्सपीरियंस ने मुझे एक एंटायर डेप्थ दिखा दी कि ये वर्कशॉप की PPF इज अ मच्छी बाजार. Everybody, every second person I talk to, yeah, we also do PPF. 1 square foot, 100 square foot workshop. Dude is doing business, he's doing rock solid business. क्यों? भैया 20,000 की PPF है, उसको चाहिए नहीं ना, उसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल कॉस्ट ही जीरो है. रनिंग कॉस्ट मैटर्स, फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट मैटर्स, रनिंग कॉस्ट मैटर्स. अब मैं अगर कॉस्ट रन करूंगा तो मेरी सर्टेन परसेंटेज आई हैव टू ऐड ऑन टॉप ऑफ माई प्रोडक्ट इन ऑर्डर टू सेल इट. वो कह रहा है जी मैं 10,000 रुपया कमरा है, एक गाड़ी के लिए PPF बहुत है, मैं दिन की 20,000 में एक गाड़ी कर लेता हूँ, मेरा 6 लाख रुपए महीने का हो जाता है. मैं क्या करूँगा? वेयर एम आई नाउ? अब PPF में आदमी कहाँ, लाइक वेयर इज द स्क्रू अप पॉइंट इज, PPF is all about finesse and finish. If it is a good they say that a good PPF is the money that you spent on your car which you can't see. Because the entire thing is that if you can't see that there's PPF on the car, that means you've done a good job.
Yeah.
तो फिर हमने उसको फिनेस करना शुरू करा. We started working up with suppliers. We got different inventories. We started trying materials, testing materials. Taiwan से भी import करे कुछ यहाँ local suppliers से लिए. Brands like XPEL and Luma also we partnered up with. Got a good decent portfolio made. Then eventually after doing work like lots of R&D and lots of money down the drain, we came up with our own brand.
Your own brand?
Yeah. And Armour Veloce is our own brand, which we started about 7 weeks ago.
Oh wow.
And we've done about 50 cars in that portfolio.
Okay.
So that is based on the trust and love that I've gotten from everybody, from family, and also support from Vidit. You know, Vidit also works out. Like Vidit is paramount for a lot of things in this. His networking skills, his communication is perfect, spot on. He knows everybody. I think Vidit might be the only person जिसको सारी states में हर एक बंदा तो जानता ही जानता है. Like he's that famous.
But tell me one thing on Armour Veloce. I mean, I'm quite stunned by the fact because पता ही नहीं था कि you have your own brand.
Yeah.
So you set the specifications and stuff. Can you tell me a
Correct.
little bit about
So
that?
I'll explain. So how it works is basically PPFs have a sort of a benchmark.
Okay.
180 to 200 microns is the depth of PPF जो होती है, जो basically market में सबके पास exist करती है.
Okay.
Differences आते हैं इनमें adhesive के. Adhesive वो principle है जो अगर खराब होगा ना तो PPF येलो पड़नी शुरू हो जाती है.
Correct.
Which is a सबसे बड़ा disadvantage of
Correct.
getting a lower quality PPF. दूसरा adhesive अगर खराब होगी तो पेंट को साथ खींच लेगी.
Correct.
That is where we started working. So we got a lot of touch. We got in touch with Chinese suppliers. See, entirely, and I am very honest and I have been very upfront with everybody. I tell people it is a Chinese manufacturer who's manufacturing my PPF
Correct.
on my standards and my accords.
Okay.
So I know what exactly I wanted to have. I took multiple samples down. I told him कि depth remains the same because of just it is a universally acceptable standard, तो बहुत easy हो जाता है. Depth ये रहेगी, adhesive हम इस quality की डालेंगे, ये इस quality करेंगे, ऐसे करके we did a couple of test mules और हमने अपनी गाड़ियों पे experiment करे, क्योंकि obviously I don't want to experiment on a customer car. हालांकि you won't believe and you'll be happy to see कि I have friends, I have people जिन्होंने पता क्या बोला कि आप करो ना, हमारी गाड़ी पे करो ना, क्या हो गया? मतलब उसको मेरे पे इतना ट्रस्ट था, कहते आपने करा है कुछ अच्छा होगा. आई हैव डन M340 also. One of my biggest project in this workshop na was an M340 I did for a friend of mine, Sanadhya Garg.
Okay.
Which you must have seen on launch control also, is the one with the Watson wheels and everything. Stage 2 car. I think he had a ticket size of not less than 15-20 lakhs on that car. Wow. And on an M340 which is equivalently fast, I mean there's not much to go for. He has got the cooling, he's got the works, he's got everything on it. And he told me, you experiment on my car, now why not? And I did. And as it turns out, his PPF has been the best it has been. And once I got confident that his car was going good, I did on my M340. And then I got into this is a good going. So I removed it. I did 3 different iterations on this car. So I've removed the PPF of it 3 times. And nothing paint has come off, nothing has come off. So I'm like, I'm satisfied, I'm happy with it.
Okay.
That is when then we started a full contract. Then we did signed an MOU with the company in China.
Lovely.
And then we started manufacturing the PPFs. Yeah.
That's an interesting story.
It's just come up recently. You will see more of it coming up. Like we're planning on doing interior pre-cuts,
कर दो
exterior
यार.
pre-cuts. कर देंगे बिल्कुल.
हाँ, but
Pre-cuts का कर रहे हैं हम. Pre-cuts ना बहुत expensive कर दिए हैं companies ने, because a lot of big companies do it.
Correct.
We're trying to lower the cost of that pre-cut thing also.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि और एक चीज which I've been working with, which I haven't really made public, is that so I have dealers established already.
Understood.
And a very close friend, or rather a dealer of mine, he is like pretty much invested in making PPFs for Indian cars, like interior pre-cuts for Indian cars like Grand Vitara. Because not everybody has access to a European or an imported car.
Right.
आजकल the new consoles that you've seen on the Marutis or the Hyundais or everybody, they have glossy trims, they have all of
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
They also need protection.
Correct.
But now nobody is offering them a pre-cut kit, and
Correct.
if you start cutting, it's not that really good in finish.
Correct.
So that is where we are coming in. We are actually planning to go really low, penetrate the market on that lower front, where we are starting doing mass market cars. Interior pre-cut ready kits you bring, you get a guy, just like tempered you
Yeah.
put on your screen.
Yeah.
You'll put on your car and your car is protected from the inside. No, people, see, base cars are expensive.
Yeah.
A Swift is 11 lakhs today. A Grand Vitara is 24. So people, there's a
And
need
it's
in the
like,
market.
you know, it might not be the love of our lives when we buy a Swift, hypothetically speaking, but for a large chunk of people,
100%.
the day they buy a Swift and the
See, it could
first
be their
scratch
first
they get
car.
on their car, it hurts. It
See,
hurts.
I personally believe that the first scratch has to be there. In some cultures, what they do is they scratch the car intentionally for the first time.
नजर ना लगे.
नजर ना लगे, नजर उतर गई. And this happens. It's prevalent. लोग करते हैं. लोग क्या करते हैं? एक छोटा सा डेंट मार देते हैं अपनी तरफ से. कहते हैं अब नजर उतर गई.
हाँ. Interesting.
करते हैं. Everything happens. See, lot of things. Just not even basic cars मैं बात करता हूँ. मेरे you won't believe I have actually commissioned a project. मैं commissioned क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? क्योंकि जरूरी नहीं है luxury car होगी तो ही commission करा है. So he is from Kanpur. Okay, he brings a Swift to me. It's a 2014 diesel Swift. He brings it to my workshop. He sits with me and he's like, "I would like to get a refinish on this car, a full refinish."
Okay.
I go, "Sure, I'll be happy to." मैंने कहा, "See, my prices are a little higher than the market, so obviously we'll have to do with that." He's like, "I don't mind." मैंने कहा, "No problem, that works. Let's it." उसने मुझे Swift दिखाई. उसने मुझे कहा ये problem है. मैंने कहा, "See, the doors are a little dingy, like थोड़ा rust आ गया, तो we'll have to do the rust repair on the door, because the obvious option isn't fixing it, replacing it rather. मैं किसी की cost क्यों बढ़ाऊँ?"
हाँ.
He says, "आपको जहाँ भी लग रहा है मुझे बताओ, मैं सब नया मंगा के दूँगा." And I'm like, "Okay." मैंने कहा, "If it's a customer's choice, let's go." 3 brand new doors, a brand new bonnet, all classes brand new. He's ordered them, and he's told me that he wants the car to be painted with all the glasses removed. He wants the edges inside to be painted also, so that whenever he puts the glass on top, it should look like it's been coming from factory.
Interesting.
Almost not less than a 190 or a 180, 1,80,000 rupee paint job on a Swift.
Wow. That's
Everything
love.
I did.
That's love.
That guy he told me to order parts from Maruti, genuine Maruti parts, whatever. He said, "Whatever you want, you tell me. And whatever you want, do not, even if it is a nut, please order it from Maruti, and I am okay with it." He got the car refurbished. I have no idea why he did it. And after that, I'm like, "Now do you like the car?" Kehta, "I love the car." Absolutely. He's taken the car to Kanpur, scratched the door in the middle, on the way. He's asked me to buy a brand new door, paint it here, and then ship the door to him to Kanpur. Love for cars does not need to
Big, no?
define how expensive of a car it is or how cheap. It is the love that you get. For a lot of people, it was a really long amount of time. It was a really, amount of things that they had thought of, a lot of things they had thought they might happen. When they buy a car, things like that, I mean,
Correct.
it's a moment in life.
Absolutely.
It's a milestone.
Absolutely.
For us also, I mean, we're fortunate that our parents bought cars.
Yeah.
But for our parents or grandparents also, there was a benchmark, a status associated with having a four-wheeler in the house.
Of course, yeah.
And I still to date respect everybody who's walked in this door, rather on this door or even outside. I've had people who've, got into me or had a small fender bender with them, and they've scratched my car, and I've been very patient and said, "It's fine." I have my car on PPF. I can get out, I can get angry. That individual also has a bike. That poor lad has scratched it. That's gonna pinch him also. So might as well, let it go. Like, कोई बात नहीं भैया, आप जाओ. Please अपना ध्यान रखो.
ठीक है.
बस. It just works out. It's just happening. क्यों मैं उतरूँ और मैं उसको सुनाऊँ और मैं intimidate करूँ.
कोई point नहीं.
गाड़ियाँ रोज लगती हैं.
कोई point.
And look at the way Delhi is right now. Do you really think you want to get out in the middle of a situation where you don't know what the other person is carrying?
Correct.
That person could be carrying a gun. You're here for a fight. You bring a knife to a gunfight, you're dead.
Correct.
What else do you do? So definitely.
कोई point नहीं है इसका.
Cars are very core. Like just for a lot of not even just for guys, for girls also. I've had girl customers walk in. A lot of girls are very passionate about cars. And that's a good thing, na? I go to BND, I go to Autocross, I see A lot of female drivers are driving. I'm so
Yeah.
happy to see that.
It's a good change that's coming in.
See, it's not the change, it should be the norm.
Or should I say that's one good change that's happening?
Correct. Because see, we aren't anybody to decide or judge that if a female is worth enough. And I'm telling you, I never keep a second judgment in mind
Yeah.
when I am seeing a girl coming in and saying, "Yeah, I want to get this car done," and I'm not going to dumb it down for her also.
Of course.
I'm
not.
going to say it as is because she needs to be heard. Why should I mansplain?
Correct.
The thing is that she is very much. If she's made the commitment of coming to a workshop in Ghitorni
Yeah.
to get some work done on a car, I'm sure she's done her recce before.
Correct.
And even if she isn't, I should be the one to help her out the best way possible and get this. I've done a pink Thar for somebody I can't name,
That's okay.
a brand new Thar, just walked out, red color, and she told me to pre-label it full pink for her Goa beach house.
That's hot.
It was the first. It was covered by Car Talk also.
Okay.
First pink Thar in India, Thar B.
So just one last question, Arman, I'd like to know your viewpoint about is the changing car culture in India. You know, I mean, there are good things about it, there are bad, or should I say sad things about it. So what's your view on it?
See, car culture, see, whilst we talk about this now, we are in a zone where we just heard about how that Porsche Taycan has just killed 2 people. We've seen that now. See, what is the problem which has happened is now that horsepower has become cheap. Responsibility isn't there. Horsepower has become really affordable. So it is much easier to gain access to a car which can be really fast and can do certain damage. How the culture has changed in a way is that now, like what we had is, we had to make do with things. See, we had a very restricted sort of a thing where we didn't have much cars to play by. I'm sure there's upper echelon of society must have had that, but we didn't have that. But today, when you come to it, you could buy easily cheap cars, used cars, everything. But what is that parallel distinction which has become is now? One good thing which has happened is that people have actually accepted used cars as a part of life. Earlier, India had a very bad stigma about buying pre-owned cars. Pre-owned cars, people used to think कि क्यों बेची होगी, नुकसान होगा, कोई काम खराब हो रहा होगा तभी बेची होगी. That has changed. This is with me seeing it as is because, see, earlier buying used car was an affordability claim कि तुम खरीद नहीं सकते इसलिए used car खरीदी. Now buying used car has become rather a positive thing. Why? Because a person is able to save the depreciation that the other person faced.
Yeah.
It could be a thing now that other person might have bought it on a company and has used the
Correct.
depreciation to waive off an income tax.
Sure.
But आपको वो benefit मिल गया. You picked up that car at a good price. You drive around that car and you sell it for a relatively good price. So you don't lose much money on it.
Yeah.
And for people who are actually calling themselves enthusiasts, the entire purpose is to have a car that you haven't spent much money on, that you intend to spend money on, enjoy, have fun, and then later, upgrade to something when time comes by. Yes, definitely, this is one thing which is, I believe, is a very good accepting change.
Okay.
With me also, I went to Autobest and I've seen earlier their scale and today's scale where they're doing 40, 50 cars a month. It shows volumes, it shows how much people are now accepting buying. See, I would have gotten a Wrangler, say, for 50 lakhs, I would have happily bought it.
Yeah.
तो इसमें फिर मेन आता है कि कल्चर में अब चेंजेस क्या है. हाँ, एक कल्चर में जो मेन चेंज आ गया ना, एक तो ये आ गया कि हमारे इवेंट्स बढ़ गए. People have become now you see ना जो autocross के events हो रहे हैं, so many people are coming up, young kids are coming up, driving cars. See, if you are able to do that and if you are able to reach a platform where you're paying money, I think the driving evasive or it should exist there and there only, not while you're coming to the track, not while you're leaving from the track or not on the road. Because I really feel scared considering the fact कि जैसे ये टाइकान का केस है, there are so many cases which go unreported. मुझे नहीं पता किसी दिन मैं रोड पर हूँ और कोई मेरे ही जैसा तेज कार चलाने वाला आ जाए और मेरा कारमा मुझे रिफ्लेक्ट करा के चला जाए. This is the thing which scares me, which is why I believe in see, it's good to drive. And ऐसा नहीं है कि we will say कि we drive always fast या नहीं करते. You should be a little bit more considerate towards your road where you're driving. It should have been recceed, it should have been seen कि यहाँ पर ऐसा सिचुएशन नहीं हो सकता. मैं वो ऑनेस्ट डिफेंडर्स की तरह नहीं बोलूँगा और ये बोलूँ कि नहीं you should never drive fast on the road. See, nobody will actually pay heed to that. Nobody cares. If somebody is tuning the car on a stage one, he's not going to take it to the track every day, is it?
Yeah.
Just keep in mind, respect where you are, and you can, मैं तो कहता हूँ सीधा प्रिंसिपल बताता हूँ, check for roads which have less traffic, less footfall. You want to drive around a little spirited, go ahead. Keep in mind that there are certain roads where you shouldn't do that. And सबसे बड़ी बात है, ego दिल पे मत लो. आज की इस रोड पे एक्चुअल बात है, आप गाड़ी लेके चलो, even if you're driving just a nice car, and you drive a little fast because of your own thing where you're just accelerating towards the road, somebody will take offense to it.
Correct.
And he'll start flashing you and he'll start coming, and I won't take names, any car. कोई भी, किसी को भी offense हो जाता है.
Correct.
And offense becomes very abusive because क्या होता है कि अब आप में भी offense, अगर आपने भी ले लिया, आप भी तेज लगे, वो भी तेज लगा. Nobody knows what's gonna happen.
Correct.
वो चीज एक है, और youngsters में तो स्पेशली हो रहा है. They एकदम से offend हो जाते हैं.
Because they are seeing that.
फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस है, लोगों को लगा सड़क पे भागने भगाओ, हमने भी तो उसी से सीखा था. रियलिटी क्या है? How did we get hooked to that culture of getting cars? We watched Fast and Furious. We saw how many, the culture expanded.
Yeah.
Car become bigger. It's right. It's become bigger. Yes, numerics say that's definitely become bigger. Mutual respect in a way it's fallen is now. Luxury cars have become a very paramount part.
Yeah.
To become a little fast, people buying luxury cars. And people who buy luxury cars have an infatuated attitude, thinking that the person who's bought a N-Line or a TGDI, no names, might not be as equivalently qualified or not be as strong in that terms. Definitely respect in a way that's fallen is there. You'll see you bought yourself a nice fancy car, nice 6-cylinder BMW, whatever I mentioned, C43, whatever call. And you've gotten to this entry पर कि हाँ यार अब तो मेरे पास तो बॉलर कार है, तो मैं ही सबसे ऊपर हूँ. See, everybody has a bap. Everybody has a dada. Why? Today you bring an M340, somebody whoops in with an M5. Somebody whoops in with an M5, somebody comes with an M8. कोई M8 में आएगा, कोई GT3 में आएगा, GT3 RS में आएगा. टीयर तो है ही है ना.
Correct.
See, जो डिसरिस्पेक्टिंग का टीयर है ना, ये एक्चुअली में नीचे है. GT3 वाला और फरारी वाला कभी भी ऑफेंड नहीं लेगा. ये प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आ गई है? जो एंट्री लेवल में जब हम आए हैं ना एक्सेप्टेंस में, and we will see people who are thinking कि अब देखो, I don't want to defame a car. If somebody has bought a Polo GT TSI and the person also has a attitude saying कि ट्रैफिक में मिलना, what is the easiest response for a Polo guy to say कि अगर मैं कहता हूँ कि मेरी M340 तो दे दे, कहता भाई ट्रैफिक में बताता हूँ मैं. क्यों? रीजन क्या है उसका? I understand you have a fast car, keep it to yourself, respect that. You drive, everybody has the right to drive.
Yeah. I mean, why can't we just admire the fact that, I love the fact that you're an enthusiast, I'm an enthusiast.
I love the fact that it's expanding. There's a universe built on top of us, automotive enthusiasts.
Yeah.
See, we are thriving on a business set up by people who like their cars. आज के टाइम पे ये जो business entirely exist करता है, ये उस पेरिफेरल पे एग्जिस्ट करता है कि लोग इंटरेस्ट दिखा रहे हैं अपनी गाड़ियों पे काम करवाने का, which means this is not a part of their survival. This is a part of their disposable income. Their entire business is thriving on that. I am not selling medicines. I am not selling healthful treatment. I'm not selling something which is mandatory. I am selling something which is an optional service, which is based on the principle. This entire thing of ego triggering has also brought business to people. क्यों? अब एक बंदा है जिसने कह दिया मेरी गाड़ी स्लो है, वो यहाँ आ गया, मैं इससे काम करवाने चला गया. So you're not trying to prove to anybody who you are. You've had a car, you've had the blessing of buying a car. Dude, have fun with it, enjoy it. There are competitive events.
And
we
you
host
have
it.
been blessed to understand the connection between man and machine. Yeah, I mean, just appreciate that.
मैं बता रहा हूँ, we went to Modball, right? We went to Modball, we went to Kashmir. You know the amount of love we got from locals. But then there are other locals who get offended.
Yeah.
फरारी ले घूम रहा है, उसके आगे ड्रिप कर काट रहा है, just to take a picture of it. मतलब कुछ भी है, he is driving sensibly, एकदम से बीच में आ रहा है. गुलमर्ग has a literally depth of a road is like half a road. उसमें एक बंदा तुम्हारे साथ आ जाए, and a Ferrari has to look through, and R8 has to look through where to go. A person can get a little, worried. Yeah, हो जाता है. ठीक है, but overall we had a very positive response. Plus now the platform exists. Launch control, आप आओ. Launch control का there's certain limitations to what vehicles you can bring and all. But at least it exists. A platform has brought people together to network, to communicate, to drive cars around, to see who's got the bigger car in terms of get the drive a faster car, drive it on the track, show it to the people. Everybody will love and appreciate that.
Correct.
It becomes theatrics now. You can also see it. You can also feel Even though I'm not sitting in a Ferrari, by looking at a drag Ferrari, I'm feeling happy. You know, wow, this car's won.
And I think, in a very general sense, if there's a car meet happening, just understand these two words, guys. That car meet, it's where people with like-minded people are meeting, chit-chatting about cars.
Absolutely. The financial
Yes.
status of a certain individual
Doesn't
or a
matter.
car doesn't have to do with the fact
Doesn't
that he is
matter.
an avid enthusiast just like you are.
Correct.
If I am sitting in that car meet, if I'm standing in that car meet, I have a like-mindedness of loving my car,
Yeah.
which is shared by the same fellow. It should never be a principle of what car do you have, but rather the information. So what you need, what you can do is you can sit together. Networking.
Absolutely.
Networking helps you out. It helped me out. If I have a
Networking,
business today that is worth some money,
Yeah.
it's because of networking.
Networking
It's
and
because of
sharing
Vidit
experiences.
hosting these beautiful
Yeah.
events. See, Vidit, Rishabh, all of them, Sanchet, Pranav also.
Yeah.
Bro, they are helping us out. They're helping all of these automotive
Left, right, and
enthusiasts
center.
out.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
And I have never seen all of them being, judgmental towards cars.
Yeah.
I've always seen them loving cars. I've always seen them respecting people.
Yeah.
But see, the respect is a mutual relationship.
Yeah.
If Pranav is able to respect somebody by keeping him aside in an R6, he's driving fast, let him drive. You got to respect him also, no?
Yeah.
You got to respect everybody on the road.
True.
I'm not saying it has to be a smaller car for you to respect. It could be any, but it should be a mutual understanding. Okay, he's trying to go fast. Let him go fast.
Correct.
You go after him. Why do you have the knack of trying to beat everybody on that road? And वो बहुत dangerous हो जाता है.
Here, I think I'll be very honest with you, Harman here, and मैं आई थिंक कुछ को कह रहा था कि आरडी को कह रहा था, मैं कहा यार आई रियली डोंट नो कि कितना लंबा कॉन्वर्जेशन जाएगा हरमन के साथ, बिकॉज आई मीन लिसन, आई मीन यू नो आई टेल यू वेरी ऑनेस्टली व्हाट वी हैड डिस्कस दैट हरमन इज Upshift Auto is an upcoming great place for detailing and vehicle aesthetics. So I don't know how much of an experience Harman would have to share, or how much of a story would Harman have to share. But I think this has been over an hour and a half now. Brilliant conversations. I've enjoyed myself so much, and I think the boys have also enjoyed knowing more about you, your cars, your work, your approach towards work, your viewpoint on car culture in general. And may the downforce be with you, man. Hats off to you.
Really, really appreciate you
And,
coming here, and you're always welcome.
Thank you so much for your time.
100%. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank
All
you.
right, man.
Thank you.